I'm trying to be quiet. Here's the handlebar. Okay, let me clean up here. Okay, we clean up here. The first one is a 2-key box. Inside we have the tools to help you assemble the e-bike. And this one is the fender, front fender. This is the handlebar. Like this. This is the front tire. This is original US charger. CSD. Nice tire. Now let's assemble the handlebar first. And make sure this wheel is under the brake. Otherwise, it's hard for you to use the throttle as well. This is the front fender for the LiBX. Seriously? Okay. Perfect. Okay, so we finally assembled our LiBX. If you want to check more details about our Surron LiBX, please subscribe our Seeing e-bike. Thank you for watching.
I need some fresh air.